In the Millionaire Fastlane, author MJ DeMarco outlines a plan for becoming financially free. You'll learn how to create multiple income streams, invest in the right places, and make sure you're on top of your finances. You'll also find out how to save money on taxes and live a lifestyle of financial freedom. The Millionaire Fastlane's plan for financial freedom. The Millionaire Fastlane is all about creating multiple income streams and investing your money in the right places. You'll learn how to make sure you're on top of your finances, save money on taxes, and live a life of financial freedom. How to create multiple income streams. There are many ways to create multiple income streams. Here are some of the most popular methods. Start your own business. Starting your own business is a great way to create multiple income streams. You can create a variety of products and services that can provide you with residual income. Invest in real estate. Invest in stocks and bonds. Start a blog. Blogging is a great way to make money online. You can sell advertising, products, or services to your readers. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money by selling other people's products and services. Write an ebook. Writing an ebook is a great way to make money online. You can sell your book on Amazon or other online retailers. Create an online course. Creating an online course is a great way to share your knowledge with others and make money at the same time. Sell products online. Selling products online is a great way to make money. You can sell physical or digital products on sites like Amazon or Etsy. Invest in mutual funds. Mutual funds are a great way to diversify your investment portfolio and make money over the long term. Tips on how to make sure you're on top of your finances. There are a few things you can do to make sure you're on top of your finances. Make a budget and stick to it. Creating a budget and sticking to it is a great way to stay on top of your finances. Pay your bills on time. Paying your bills on time is essential for keeping your finances in order. Invest in yourself. Investing in yourself is a great way to improve your financial situation. You can take courses or read books on personal finance to learn how to better manage your money. Stay disciplined. Staying disciplined is essential for maintaining good financial habits. Have an emergency fund. Ways to save money on taxes. There are a few ways to save money on taxes. Invest in a tax advantage account. Investing in a tax advantage account, such as an IRA or 401k, is a great way to save on taxes. Use tax deductions. Using tax deductions is a great way to reduce your taxable income. Invest in tax-exempt securities. Tax-exempt securities, such as municipal bonds, are a great way to save on taxes. Live in a low-tax state. Moving to a state with lower taxes can help you save on taxes. Stay informed. Keeping up with the latest tax changes. Conclusion. You may have heard that the best way to create wealth is to work hard and save money, but this isn't always true. In the Millionaire Fastlane, you'll learn about some of the easiest ways for making more money with less effort. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay safe and do subscribe for more videos.